All right, guys, we're walking around the woods here, Clarion, PA, trying to find a train trestle. So it's supposed to be a haunted trestle or something like that. Here with
supposed to be a trestle that's haunted.
We're here with our friend Jackie. Anne is not here with us today, but she wanted to stay back, didn't want any part of this crazy adventure trying to find this train trestle. So anyway, yeah, we're out here in the middle of the woods. We don't know exactly where this thing is, so we're gonna go on a little adventure, try to find it, get some cool drone footage maybe of the train trestle, the haunted trestle, and show that to you. So come along for the ride. All right, I think we found the path here. A little bit easier than the other direction that we were headed. I don't know, it is kind of spooky back here, Jackie. What do you think?
I don't know, maybe something popping out of the woods at us. Hopefully without a shotgun. Birds are happy. That's a good sign.
Yeah, birds are singing. We won't have anything too ominous. That's usually a sign, right? When the bird stops singing, it's time to start running. I think we're almost there. Yeah, we're here. It's the trestle. So this is the Clarion River where we're at. This trestle looks a little shaky, little old. I think some people said not to walk on it, but it doesn't look too bad.
This is phenomenal.
Pretty cool, huh?
It's definitely.
It's starting to decay.
Yeah, you see it. Mother Nature's killing it.
Slowly, like everything.
Yep. The amount of steel in this thing is incredible.
Oh yeah. Built to last, right?
Yep.
That's how they did it in the old days. They didn't mess around. American steel. And of course told me not to come out here and walk on this. Yeah, she's always worried about me and my welfare. Yeah. All right, look at that view. There's the river. Pretty sweet. Find a solid piece of wood to walk over here. It's actually quite peaceful out here. I don't think there are any ghosts. Do you?
I'm not feeling anything.
No. Yeah, not at all.
I bet the tunnel's on the other end.
Oh yeah, there's a tunnel, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we came the wrong way. Somebody said that you had to walk through a tunnel, half-mile tunnel. We still got here, but we're gonna have to go check this tunnel out. What do you think?
Off to the tunnel we go.
It is really rotten in some places here. Don't want to make a misstep there. All right, that's about enough of that. It'd be cool to go walk on those steel beams, but then I'd really catch hell for man. Better not do it.
It's actually more solid than this wood.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Not a good way back over though.
Yeah, just jump over like this.
Oh yeah, she's really like that.
Yeah, I'm done. She's.
No more adventures with Jack.
That's it. It's over. Wow, cool, man.
Yeah. Ray. Ray was here.
Oh yeah, that might. Wonder if it's the same Ray.
Ray.
Yeah, we went whitewater rafting. When was it? A couple years ago.
Yeah, New River Gorge.
And there was a guy named Ray. He was a character, man. He was great though, as far as our guide. Old Ray took care of us. All right, now the trick, getting back. Yeah, we got a little safety net down below here, so it makes you feel better about it. Yeah, I think if you stick to this more solid section, it'll be all right. They're creaking and cracking though.
Yes, they are.
It's like we found a natural spring down there.
It's pretty wet. This is where it's coming from.
Oh yeah. We don't want to drink this at all.
No. Look how cool it is.
Yeah. Man, this is pretty cool.
This is what's supposed to be spooky.
Yeah, this is a little spooky. Getting a little hazy through here. All right, I got a little flashlight here, but it's nothing really to speak of. I don't know if it's going to make a dent in this dark, dank place, but look at that. The whole wall is crumbling. We should have went to Walmart and got a flashlight. Oh man, your phone is brighter than my LED flashlight here. Yeah, I gotta come up here with you.
Her sister was better.
Yeah, this seems to be the local hangout, eh?
Yeah, check it out.
Oh yeah. Some cool art. Someday, thousands of years from now, people will come in here and they'll be like, look at the ancient art. Yeah, it is like a half-mile tunnel. It's pretty long.
It is. Now we're getting to the spooky stuff.
Oh, here's a doorway to nowhere. It's kind of freaky when you walk up on something that looks like a door and it's not there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right. That looks like something from a video game, eh?
Yeah.
You got some magic shrooms.
Yeah.
People come in here, do little magical mushrooms. Why not? Don't fear dying.
Fear not living.
Right.
I like it.
Yeah, that's a mantra to live by.
Uh-huh.
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Yeah, that was scary. We lost our light for a second.
There's your sign.
Oh, it's time to get out. How much battery you have left? Hopefully a lot.
Oh yeah, we're full.
A lot of battery? Sweet. I thought I just heard somebody cough.
There's a big drip.
Now down there. At the end of the tunnel, I swear I heard somebody coughing down there. Guys, we're not alone. Someone's in the tunnel with us. So let's go investigate. See who's down here. All right, we're getting close to the other side of the tunnel now. No sign of the person yet. I don't know if anyone's down here or not. You can't see. The light from the end of the tunnel is kind of obstructing the view, so there could be someone standing out here and you wouldn't even know it. Yeah, looks like they built a wall. And Jackie actually read that online, that they built a wall down here to try to keep people out. I guess people still climb over the wall to get in, so it doesn't really matter. You can't stop people. You'd have to completely wall this off in order to stop someone from getting in here. What do we got? Railroad ties. Brick? Is that brick?
Like a brick.
Oh wow.
A lot of brick.
Yeah. It's like a brick wall. You know? Oh yeah, this is easy for someone to climb over, really. You're not going to stop them.
Wow.
All right, well, now we got to investigate what's over there. Wow, look at all the old timbers up there.
Yeah.
That's where they got the brick. Look, the brick is...
it come off of the ceiling.
Yeah, it came off the ceiling. That's pretty cool. So that could have just fallen, or who knows what. Oh man, I hope I didn't ruin my shoes.
Oh, you stepped in that gook, yeah?
Yeah, that's all rust.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nasty.
Let's find the other end.
Yep, that's where the railroad used to go. Some pretty big concrete pillars heading across. And it went right down the tunnel there. Pretty fun though, coming out these types of places, exploring and checking these old historical places that are abandoned, checking them out. We did come in the wrong end though. It looks like there's a lot easier route right here by the road. But nonetheless, we made it. No problem. Whoa. Almost bit it.
Whoa.
Yeah, be careful. Holy shit.
Hit the wet shit. Made it.
All right. We're back.